Welcome to Grab the Horns. I'm Daniel Cooper. Glad that you could join us today. The company that we're going to be taking a look at is a company mainstream in TV recording, a company by the name of TiVo. Now TiVo's ticker symbol is TiVo. What we're going to look at is basically what the company does, and then we're going to analyze the stock a little bit. So let's go ahead and begin. TiVo is the maker of a video recorder box. Now at one point it seemed that all anyone could ever say was this or that about TiVo. If you watch some not so recent episodes of talk shows or comedies, you'll likely hear some sort of reference to TiVo. TiVo was really a fad, kind of like Facebooking or tweeting. But in that same note, as we can tell, technology moves very, very quickly. So what's the deal with TiVo now? Well, TiVo is a nifty product. You can record your favorite TV shows, your favorite sports games, and then when it's convenient for you, you can go back and watch them, and you can skip over all the ads if you want to. However, newer technologies, as always, are coming out, and they pose a threat to disrupting TiVo's growth and revenues. One company we've talked about a lot lately is Netflix. Their ticker symbol NFLX. Now, Netflix, they actually offer older TV shows that you can watch at any time without any ads. So you can go on and you can get a Netflix subscription, you can stream them live, or you can just get the DVDs and watch some TV shows that are not so old. The one drawback about something like Netflix, obviously, is the sports games. However, you can typically find sports games on just regular cable. You'll just have to watch them at the time if you are not looking to invest in something like TiVo. Now, Netflix is just one of the challenges that TiVo faces. A bigger threat to TiVo are the cable and satellite providers who have opted to include their own set-top boxes with similar conveniences as TiVo. Now, not only are they just including these, but in a lot of cases, they're making it mandatory for their subscribers to actually own their boxes instead of a TiVo box. Here's a chart for TiVo, and as you can see, this is a one-year chart. And nowadays, what you can see here is that there's a lot of huge price increases and downfalls in TiVo stock. The reason for that is there's probably some news out regarding its many intellectual property litigations when you see these major rises and spikes. In fact, in 2011, as much as 46% of the company's expenses went to fund its legal expenses. That's crazy. Almost half of their revenue is going to fend off litigations that are coming against them. Now that's money and resources that could have gone to research and development, recruiting top talent, or buying smaller companies to increase their market share. However, they're having to take that money and go fight litigation against them on a daily, quarterly, and yearly basis. TiVo is a great product. They have a great concept. You know, who doesn't want to be able to watch their favorite TV show or sporting event without commercials? With that said, it's not necessarily a great stock to own. As we can see with the chart that we looked at, a lot of fluctuation in that chart, a lot of volatility in there for the simple fact that they are facing a lot of lawsuits. And those lawsuits are going to tend to have a drag on their stock. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope that you can take something away from this. As always, go out there, go grab the horns.